Did you know? According to Nigeria's Health Facility Register 2019, Nigeria has 40,345 registered hospitals and clinics to serve a 201 million population. This puts the ratio at an estimated 5,000 Nigerians to one healthcare facility. Furthermore, the World Health Organization reports only a quarter of Nigeria's primary health facilities have more than 25% the minimum equipment package. Little wonder Nigeria is set to shoulder an estimated 10% of the global disease burden, a situation USAID reported can be attributed to the persistent low access to quality healthcare facilities and health workers, especially in rural communities. The challenge with quality healthcare in Nigeria is not just about inadequate finance from government and the private sector. Speed to set up the facilities, inadequate health workers, lack of access to the required medical equipment, and the dispersed nature of the nation's population are also key hindrances to quality and affordable healthcare. The challenge for stakeholders and keen observers has always been, how can Nigeria rapidly increase access to quality healthcare for all, build confidence in its healthcare sector, and reduce its huge loss to medical tourism? With a strategy to work with government and the private sector, Alpha Mead Healthcare and Management Services (AMHS) is innovating possibilities that would make quality healthcare accessible to all. One of such innovations is the Modular Healthcare Facilities (MHF). The MHF is a customized, mobility-enhanced, prefabricated portacabin with detachable modules equipped with state-of-the-art clinical and diagnostic equipment.
One of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations is SDG-free, which aims to achieve universal health coverage and equitable access to health care for all men and women. For us at AlphaMed, this aligns well with our corporate mission and brand promise. We care. We set up AlphaMed Healthcare Management Services (AMHS) to identify and provide solutions in critical areas of the healthcare value chain, which includes laboratory analysis and diagnostic services, technology application, trained manpower, and quality management system for efficient delivery of quality healthcare in Nigeria and across the continent of Africa. The MHF product is an innovative solution of the company that seeks to improve accessibility to affordable and quality healthcare for all at any location.
With the MHF, setting up a state-of-the-art healthcare facility anywhere is now a matter of days. It is not only easy to set up, the MHF enables cost-efficient healthcare operations, powered by solar, easy to transport, connected by technology, and driven by efficiency. From inside of the MHF, a patient anywhere in Nigeria can be diagnosed, have the results reviewed by a medical professional anywhere in the world, consult with a doctor through its telemedicine facilities, and access medications through the nearest registered pharmacy. The MHF is where functionality and technology meet to make quality healthcare accessible.
This facility will have a huge impact on the health sector because of its usefulness goes beyond fast and accurate diagnosis. The MHF is a compact healthcare facility that addresses most needs at the primary, secondary, and tertiary healthcare level. With MHF, quality healthcare can now be at the doorstep of every Nigerian. The modular healthcare facility is fully packaged with a lot of advanced technology equipment. We have with it the picture archiving and communication system, enterprise electronic medical records, and telehealth infrastructure. With the picture archiving and communication system, all the investigations that are done at the radiology center will be immediately archived, transmitted to a remote radiologist who will review these tests, report the results, and send it back to the center in a real time so that we can give it back to the patients. With the enterprise medical record system, we can capture all the data of the patient so that the entire facility is a paperless environment. Every record of the patients are fully digitized and they are available in the system, fully backed up, and can be accessed at any time that they are required. With the telehealth infrastructure, patients can see any doctor in any part of the globe. The best of the doctors that are not available in this country can be contacted in real time. They can talk to the patient and provide advice on the type of ailments that they are suffering from. So boundary is no longer there. Anywhere in the world, from Cape to Cairo, from Botswana to Australia, doctors that have the best skill can be made available to the patients anywhere they are, so that we can give Nigerians the best of medical care that they can get if they travel out of this country.
The MHF has so many unique benefits for us as a country, particularly at this time, where government is looking to focus a lot on improved healthcare systems. So whether it's the government or private businesses or not-for-profit organizations, they can take advantage of the many benefits that the MHF brings. Firstly, for government, this can be deployed even into different communities. It can be used to supplement the existing healthcare facilities. For private businesses and corporations, this can serve as a form of corporate social responsibility, and they can seed this into the different communities where they are operating. We also have different camps, like you have military camps, construction sites, you have camps for internally displaced persons. The modular healthcare facility can be placed in these camps as a means of providing quality diagnostic services for people to access quality healthcare, get the proper diagnosis, and also get the right treatment because they got the diagnosis right the first time.
The MHF can be used by different sectors in our economy, from the government to private sector to the small and medium scale enterprises, and everybody who has interest in investing in healthcare. MHF is fully packaged and ready for use. For government, it can be deployed in all the primary healthcare centers that we have across the country, where the infrastructure are clearly lacking. MHF can be used to support the systems at those centers, and doctors can remotely attend to patients after the laboratory and radiology investigations have been done for them. If we have a hospital and you do not have capacity at the moment to set up a laboratory or radiology unit of your own, we can lease an MHF to you and you can own it after you have paid the money little by little over a period of time.
Contact AMHS on +234 700 25 742 6323 or mhf@alphamed.com. Modular Healthcare Facilities, making quality healthcare accessible.